Hi guys, we got a package over here. As you see, this is from Woodland. Inside this box, there is a suede leather Chelsea boots. Let's find out whether this worth your money or not. Woodland tan Chelsea boots. Classic style with rugged durability. Made from premium suede leather and strong rubber sole for solid grip. Neat reinforced stitching adds to the long-lasting build. Easy slip-on design with elastic panel and pull tab. Perfect mix of toughness and everyday style. These boots feel comfortable to wear and walk, but you cannot put them for all day. Since there is less room for breathability, you may need to take them off at least 2 or 3 intervals in a day to feel more relaxed. These boots goes well with denim outfits, especially with dark and light colors, and you can rock them with beige chinos and casual jacket for timeless look. In offline stores, it usually sells around 4,000 rupees, but don't worry, you can buy them online for about half the price during sales. Actually, I bought this at about 1728 rupees in a recent Flipkart day sales. For that price, it's a killer deal and it's worth every penny you spent. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please like, share, subscribe for more videos.